Hey guys, Mr. and Mrs. Ashik here. Look at this. Mr. Ashik left me at home and he went with his team to have lunch. He came to Al Kabab and Al Afghani restaurant. Let's see what he had.
One, two, three.
This is located in Al Kisses. Many other branches also there. You can check it out. The ambience is looking pleasant and they also have a place to dine in outside and also they can dine in a traditional way. Look at this menu, it looks very yummy, and looking at this menu I just feel like eating it. For sure I'm visiting here and I'll again review on this place, guys. So I think they ordered a family pack of 5. They ordered this mutton pulao and many other things. See how they are preparing it. It's looking very yummy. I just want to eat it. So let's see how the final look is.
One side mutton, one side chicken. So amazing.
So here is the final Mutton Kabab Pulao. It's looking very yummy. If you guys like it, you can go and try there. There are many branches. This one is located in Al Kisses, so you can check out the outlets. So we'll meet you in the next video, and sure I'm gonna try here. I'm not gonna leave Mr. Ashik. So once I taste, I'll come with another vlog and update you guys. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.